Forget what you think you know about tomorrow. Forget the flying cars and teleportation pods you see in blockbuster movies. The future isn't some distant, abstract concept waiting to be discovered. It's being built right now, forged in steel, silicon, and pure ambition. In China, the calendar might say 2025, but the reality on the ground feels like a leap into a new epoch. We are talking about a technological renaissance, a radical reinvention of how we move, connect, and exist. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B faster, it's about rewiring the very fabric of our urban landscapes, creating a symphony of motion so seamless, so intelligent it borders on the magical. Prepare to have your mind expanded. We stand at a profound inflection point in human history, a moment where the digital and physical worlds are not just intersecting but fusing into a single dynamic reality. Imagine stepping onto a train that doesn't touch the tracks, a vehicle that floats on a magnetic cushion, hurtling you forward at speeds that blur the line between ground travel and flight. Picture a subway system with no drivers, a silent, autonomous network of pods gliding through subterranean tunnels with inhuman precision and safety. This isn't a speculative pitch for a sci-fi series, this is the daily commute for millions of people. It's a tangible, operational future that you can touch, see, and experience today. This explosion of innovation is a testament to a powerful combination of visionary thinking, massive investment, and a relentless drive to solve the grand challenges of modern life. Our first stop is Shanghai, a city that pulsates with the energy of the 21st century. Here, the journey from Pudong International Airport to the city's edge is not a mundane taxi ride, it's a rite of passage into the future. It's called the Shanghai Transrapid, the world's first commercial Maglev line, and it is a breathtaking piece of technology. As you step aboard, the experience feels familiar yet fundamentally different. The train doesn't lurch or rumble, it glides. There is no clatter of wheels on steel, only a subtle hum as it begins to accelerate. You are literally floating, suspended less than an inch above the guideway by the invisible, powerful forces of magnetism. It's a sensation that rewrites your understanding of what a train can be. The numbers are staggering. The Shanghai Maglev hits a top operational speed of 431 kilometers per hour, or 268 miles per hour. Let that sink in. You are covering the 30-kilometer or 18.6-mile distance to the Longyang road station in just over 7 minutes. A taxi ride covering the same distance could take an hour in traffic. This isn't just an improvement, it's a complete disruption of space and time. You watch the world outside streak by in a fluid blur, the cars on the highway below appearing almost stationary. It feels less like a train and more like a low-flying aircraft, a terrestrial rocket ship designed to compress the urban sprawl and make the impossible possible. So how does this magic carpet ride actually work? The principle behind magnetic levitation, or maglev, is both elegant and profoundly powerful. It all comes down to one of the most basic laws of magnetism. Like poles repel, and opposite poles attract. The Shanghai Maglev uses a system of powerful electromagnets on both the train and the guideway. To achieve levitation, the magnets on the underside of the train are repelled by the magnets on the guideway, lifting the entire multi-ton vehicle into the air. This eliminates the single biggest obstacle to high-speed ground travel friction. Without wheels touching a track, there is no rolling resistance to slow the train down. But levitation is only half the story. The real genius is in the propulsion. Once the train is floating, a different set of magnets along the guideway creates a moving magnetic field. Think of it like a surfer riding a perpetual magnetic wave down the track. By precisely controlling the frequency and intensity of this electrical wave, engineers can manage the train's acceleration, speed, and braking with incredible accuracy and smoothness. It is pure, silent, electromagnetic force at work. Now let's descend from the elevated maglev tracks and go underground, into the circulatory system of the modern megacity, the metro. In Beijing, a quiet revolution is underway. Board the Yanfang line or the Daxing Airport Express, and you might notice something missing from the front cabin: a driver. These are not just automated trains, they are fully autonomous, is controlled by a sophisticated AI brain. This is the ghost in the machine, a digital consciousness navigating a complex physical world with superhuman precision. These incredible machines, the maglevs and the autonomous metros, are not isolated marvels. They are really just the most visible components of a much larger, more profound transformation. You see, they are nodes in an emerging digital nervous system that China is building across its cities. This system is designed to manage the flow of people, goods, and information with, well, unprecedented intelligence. It's a concept known as the transportation brain. It sees everything: subway passenger numbers, bus locations, traffic congestion on highways, shared bike availability, and even weather patterns. It's, you might say, a god's eye view of the city in motion. This brain is powered by a fusion of cutting-edge technologies. For example, by analyzing real-time subway data, the system can predict crowding at a specific station 30 minutes in advance. What this creates is a seamless, multimodal travel experience. The revolution isn't confined to the rails, it's also happening on the asphalt. China is pioneering the concept of the smart highway. One of the most prominent examples is a test section of the G5517 highway in the province of Shandong. This isn't just a road, it's a technology platform. Embedded within its layers are solar panels, wireless charging coils. The core technology is called CV2X, or Cellular Vehicle to Everything Communication. This allows the road itself to talk to the cars driving on it, and for the cars to talk to each other. Why is this futuristic vision materializing in China at such an astonishing pace? It's not a single reason but a powerful convergence of factors that have created a unique innovation ecosystem. First and foremost is a clear, top-down national strategy combined with immense political will. Secondly, China has the advantage of scale. Furthermore, there is a deep integration between the country's tech giants and its state-owned enterprises. This scale allows for rapid iteration and learning. It's not just building a faster train or a smarter car, it's building a fully integrated, intelligent transportation ecosystem from the ground up. The impact of this technological leap extends far beyond the simple convenience of a faster commute. It is fundamentally reshaping the relationship between people and their cities. The sheer speed of Maglev and advanced high-speed rail is dissolving the traditional boundaries of a city. When you can travel 300 kilometers in an hour, the concept of a suburb changes dramatically. Cities that were once hours apart become interconnected parts of a larger megalopolis. This creates a more balanced and sustainable model of urban development. For the individual citizen, the benefits are tangible and life-altering. Ultimately, this is about enhancing the human experience. As we pull back from this whirlwind tour of China's transport tech, we are left with a profound sense of awe and possibility. What we are witnessing is not just a story about one country's ambition, it is a preview of a future that awaits all of humanity. They are tangible proof that the grand challenges of our time, urbanization, climate change, connectivity, can be met with human ingenuity and a fearless embrace of technology. This technological flowering serves as a powerful catalyst for the rest of the world. On a deeper level, this is about our co-evolution with our own creations. So the next time you think about the future, don't just look to the stars, look at the rails, the roads,